that we have graphed. You'll see here I have a graph of a line. One of the things that's missing on this graph is that we don't have any points on it. That can cause a lot of trouble. So I would suggest that the very first thing that you should do is to look for points that are on the graph. We want points that are exactly at the crosshairs of the two lines on the grid. I want a point right where those meet, like I'm drawing on this little extra piece right here. When you look at this line, you may not necessarily see those points right off the bat, but you really have to look for them. This requires that you know about slope. We've talked about slope with it being the rise over the run. So I look for several points that I can check the slope on and make sure that I have consistent slope, and then I know I've chosen points that are good. This looks like a point right here to me, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. As I look over, this does not hit a point where the crosshairs of the blue lines meet, nor does this, but this one does. So I'm going to go ahead and put a point here. Now, as I continue, this does not look like a point where the crosshairs meet. This does not, but this does also. It's good. No, no, yes. No, no. This one's a little fuzzy, but I believe it is, and I'll explain to you why. Look at the slope from this point to this point. If you take a look, we're going to go up 1 and to the right 3 units. If we go up 1 and to the right 3 units again, we're on the next point. Up 1 and to the right 3 units again, up 1 and to the right 3 units again, gets us a consistent slope. What is that slope? It's up 1, that's the rise, and we ran 3. That's the run. But the 1 over the 3 together is the slope, and we call the slope m. So we have slope now because we've been working with this line. What else is it we need for our equation y equals mx plus b? Well, we need the b. So far, we have slope is m. We just need the y-intercept, which is b. So let's take a look at where does this cross the y-axis. It crosses the y-axis at this point, which is down from the origin 2 units. That means that our b, or our y-intercept, is equal to -2. -2. There's the y-intercept. That's where it crosses the y-axis. So what do we have for our overall equation? We simply need to put our 1/3 in where the m is, because that's our slope. We need to put our -2 where the b is, or where the y-intercept is, and then we simply bring down the rest. Y equals 1/3 x minus 2. There's your equation, and that's how you find it.